Otis freight elevator here. Check that out. Here it is. All right. How does this go? Oh, I see. You have to push it that way. Here, I'll push it. You push it down. How the hell does this go? Oh, it was blocked. Unlocked. Oh, wait. This handle's attached to the top part of the door. Never mind. I'm dumb. I thought that was attached to the bottom part. I was trying to push it down. All right. These doors are nicely weighted.
That generous, really nice.
All right, we'll go down to B first.
You ready?
Yep.
All right, we're off. Oh, it's locked.
What? 5.
Yeah.
All right. Take a look at this awesome COP. And this is the call panel. This is the lockout panel that was added on. There's your certificate. Actually, let's watch out this side. Hello. One more. No light.
Yeah, I got it. Just my phone.
Oh, that's good.
Oh, yeah.
That works. All right. And oh, you can close it. We're gonna head back out.
Oh, I was gonna get a picture of the cabin.
Oh, we can do that at the bottom.
Oh, right, I'm stupid.
You're good.
Wait, don't go down just yet. I just want to just take a little video. Like, full
Okay.
video of a full ride.
You ready?
1 second.
Putting the pressure on now.
Bro. Okay, I'm recording you now, so I'll send it down.
All right, here we go. All right.
We have one quick look at this, and then
Open the gate up.
think this.
Nope. Push it down.
Oh yeah,
Oh,
it's
never
already,
mind.
yeah, it's already open.
Anyway,
Really quick.
that will be
That is